mga paps, no? Nandito tayo ngayon sa may Fort Scratchley. Pero bago tayo pumunta doon, punta muna tayo sa Tao Bin. Overlooking siya. So, yun mga paps, nakikita nyo ay yung Newcastle Baths. Ocean Baths. Yung etong kalsada na to ay sikat sa mga nagba-van camping or van life dito sa Newcastle. So ito mga paps yung Fort Scratchley. Historic siya na site dito sa Newcastle. Kung nakikita nyo, overlooking siya sa buong Newcastle. So parang nasa tuktok siya ng isang hill. So 1880s to ginawa or earlier yata. Yan, may canyon. Fort Scratchley. Usually mga fort may mga parang ganyan, ano? Nice. So, meron sila ditong mga, I don't know, there's service room, I think. They do the laundry, cooking, maybe? No, we're allowed. Ito mga paps yung mapa. Fort Scratchley Museum Viewing Road. So, first, yung kanina pinuntahan natin yung washroom, then yung room 1. Room 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Room 1 muna tayo. Ayan, nagmamadali na siya. What's in there? Room 1, early years. So 1797 pala, so I was wrong. Earlier pa pala siya na put up. What's in there, boy? These are stuff during 1797. Look, 1780.
So the years mean on the rings mean different items on the year?
Yep. Yeah, you're correct. So yan, tulad ng sabi ko, nasa taas kasi siya. Naging defense na rin siya ng Newcastle. Look.
Is that a bullet?
Yeah.
A cannon bullet?
Yeah. And this is a cannon. That's where they put they used to have this in the ships. Go. Room 2, Sentinel was born. 1882 to 1913. So, eto na yung mga gamit nila. Noong 1882 until 1913. Mommy's doing the dangerous stuff? Yeah. Oh, whoa. Oh, you explained to me. You explained the vlog what that is.
That's a cannon bullet.
So what we'll do if we touch it?
Slow.
Oh no, that's very dangerous then?
Yeah, and mommy tried to touch it.
You tell her not to do it again.
Not to do it again, mommy. You're a bad guy. I don't want to.
So yan yung teleskopyo ng mga panahon na yun. Tapos may mga sword sila. May mga bayoneta. So mga panahon na to pala, dito na nila sinisettle yung mga kanyon nila. 80-pounder, disappearing gun. Kung nakapunta na kayo sa Corregidor, meron din silang disappearing gun. So parang ganito siya. Mas malalaki nga lang doon kasi ito mas naunang pinut up eh. Corregidor, panahon na ng Amerikano yan. Naka-hydraulics pala yung disappearing gun. Kasi ito yung ginamit nilang pressure gauge para sa hydraulics. So the disappearing guns is when they're using it, it's above the ground. And if they're not using it, it hides under the ground. During those times, ito pala yung suot nila. Sana walang magmumulto sa amin dito sa mga picture na bini-video. Ano to? Plaque? Yep, those are your uniforms of the soldiers and the officials. Room number 3.
Great War Cups.
So Great War, I think that's World War I.
There's 2 rooms. Which room do you want to go in?
Honor roll.
Which room do you want to go in?
This one first.
Okay, why?
I don't know.
Because you want to learn about...
This one's closer.
What?
So 1914 until 1939. 1914 ata, I don't know. Basta I think that's the start of the World War I.
19...
So ganun pa rin, meron silang... Alam ko meron ito sa ano eh, somewhere sa Pinas. Ito yung alarm, gas alarm. So yan naman yung uniform nila during that time. Meron ganito yung tatay ko eh. This is room 3, right?
Is there a room 4?
Yep. And there's another room 5. Ano to? Ah, na bayoneta pa rin. So ito yung uniform nila.
Why are you laughing at?
Sa next na room, hindi, same room pa rin. So nakahiwalay lang siya. Ito pa rin yung room 3.
This is the officer's room.
Officer's room. Okay, so mga officer pala to. 1934. That's an old radio from 1934.
Why does
This one is a dehumidifier from 1934.
why does Australian soldiers need a radio for?
So that they'll hear the news. Oh, look. I think that's a disappearing gun. So, ito, mga Hapon, Japanese flag o Japanese Navy. Siguro nakuha nila nito nung mga nag-surrender or nung... Kasi inatake yung Newcastle ng Japanese forces. Uniform ng mga babae. Gunnery sergeant to. May babae na gunnery sergeant.
What are sergeants?
This one is 1943 to 1944. That's during World War II.
Why?
Oh, look! Look, that's a submarine. So, yan mga paps yung sinasabi ko. So, in 1942, inatake sila ng submarine ng Japan. Germany versus the world. So, yun, mga gamit nila. Simula na ng World War II, yung mga Japanese pa. So, in Sydney pala inatake rin. Pero parang lumalabas na nakuha nila yung... Kasi nandiyan, no? May Japanese submarine yata na nakuha.
Wait, like Japan and Germany are working together versus
Yes! Yes! Ano to, bomba? It's room 5, the box. It's locked. Seems locked. Paps, dito tayo sa room 6. Oh, I think they're both closed, baby, for now. I don't know. Commandant. So, ito yung sinasabi ko. Pag nandito ka sa Fort Scratchley, kita mo yung Newcastle. So, ito yung Newcastle side. Yan is, I think, sa kabilang side dyan. Kuragang yung nasa gitna. Nice. So, ito yung replica ng isang, hindi pala replica, totoo pala to.
So how
Canyon.
soldiers actually shoot cannons?
I don't know, I'm not a soldier. Look, 1 o'clock, time ball gun. Let's go up, boy. So yung mga paps, nandito pa rin tayo sa Fort Scratchley. And kitang-kita dito, ano, yung buong Newcastle. So yung Japanese yata na ship somewhere there nung inatake, tulad nung pinakita doon kanina sa loob, nandun siya nung umatake. Nagpalipad ng missile. Tinamaan yata yung somewhere dito eh. Ito yung Western Barbet Fort Scratchley 19 ano. So isa sa mga kanyon. I think isa to sa mga disappearing guns. But I could be wrong. Pero sa setup niya, mukha siyang disappearing gun. Yun nga lang, yung mga parte niya, wala na. Tapos, meron ditong malaking... What's that? Big whale. So, may statue dito ng whale. Kasi, isa yata to sa lugar ng mga dinadaanan ng mga whales sa migration nila. Yan, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng statue yan. So, ito yata yung mga disappearing guns. I could be wrong. So, mali yata yung sinasabi ko dun kanina. So, I think ito yung mga disappearing guns. Kasi ito yung nasa pinakataas eh.
How does it get disappear when we're not using it?
I don't know, boy. Ay, hindi yata. Kasi kung disappearing guns, yung buong kanyon nawawala eh. Natatago. Hindi kasya eh. But again, I could be wrong.
Daddy, no one's
Ooh, cool! Jolo, look. So, ito yung Nobis Beach, mga paps, no? Nakapasok na pala yung ano, yung barko. Ito yung mga defense ng Newcastle during the war. So, hanggang ngayon mga paps, sa totoo lang, meron akong fascination sa World War II ng mga gunnery, mga history ng World War II basically. Especially sa mga defense. Kasi nga, doon sa Corregidor, ganun din yung kwento doon eh. Pero dito, hindi siya nagkaroon ng airstrike. Unlike doon sa Philippines, malapit kasi sa Japan, so nagkaroon sila ng airstrike. So basically, yung gunnery, naging walang kwenta yung defense nun. Kasi hindi nila in-expect. Usually, in-expect kasi ng mga gunnery, yung mga ganitong defense is sea na attack. Kumbaga, mga barko or submarine Tulad dito, na-defend naman nila yung yung Newcastle. Unlike dun sa Corregidor na hindi na na-defensahan kasi eroplano yung ginamit eh. So kung titignan ninyo yung mga gunnery na to is, ang intent ng defense nito is yung mga barko or submarine, hindi ang mga eroplano kasi wala siyang capability na mag-defend sa taas eh. Even yung Corregidor meron siyang defense sa taas pero hindi pa rin kinaya.
So how does the guns actually work?
You look at on YouTube videos, other YouTube videos.
Wait, so if you're not using it, it will go down and disappear?
No, it's not disappear, it will hide.
It will hide and go under?
Yep.
And if someone's using it, it will go up?
Yep. If somebody's attacking Newcastle, the disappearing guns will go up.
But there's no wars yet?
Yeah, there's no war. But disappearing guns are not used anymore.
Why?
It's an old technology.
Yeah, yeah.